down the woodland track. When we creep down a woodland track deep into a wood, what will we see? There will be lots of trees and insects. This wood has elm trees, ash trees, and beech trees. Can you see the moss on this tree? Do not trip on the tree roots. Copper beech trees have smooth bark, but the bark on oak trees is not smooth at all. Observe the bark of an oak tree given here. Quick, look! What is that little robin up to? It is pecking in the soft soil, looking for food. Has it got an insect? Tap, tap, tap. What can you hear? Did you spot the green woodpecker? It is looking for insects in the tree. Deer like to be in the woods too. Look at this little deer running out of sight. This is a red deer. It is a stag. Red deer are much bigger. Do not go near them. When you step off a woodland track, look out. Do you think this is just a mass of soil and twigs? No, it is an anthill. Look at all the marching ants. When the sun sets and it gets dark, owls come swooping out of the trees. The owls are hunting for some supper. Now it is dark. We had better creep back up the track, out of the wood. Good night, deer. Good night, owls. Good night, insects. This reader introduces CVCC words and common exception words like have, like, do, some, come, there, little, one, when, out, what.